This opportunity truly changed my life, and I wouldn't have known about it if someone else hadn't gone out of their way with their passion to educate me. So I thoroughly enjoy empowering others through my ambassador role, because I've been through a time where my confidence was knocked and I've had great people around me to lift me back up. What I enjoy most about being with Lloyds and the work that I do is the people. Their support and encouragement is something I've never experienced in any workplace before.
Apprenticeships build you up. That's why I think they're really inclusive and they enable that diversity within an organisation. And actually within Lloyds itself, I'm part of the REACH network as well. I'm very passionate about cultural and religious diversity within any organisation. You get the experience, you get the degree itself, and then you can actually financially support yourself and your family, which is a huge thing to me as well, because you're earning from one day, you're still getting the qualification and you're getting the work experience. And more than likely, you're going to be more qualified than your counterparts that come out of university.
When I was in college, apprenticeships weren't encouraged. If anything, I thought apprenticeships were more vocational, like bricklaying and building and those type of things. And it was only when I went to a convention that I learnt about them, and that almost every single industry has them, and it was a real eye-opener.
I'm a huge advocate for apprenticeships and actually educating parents as well as students on the benefits of apprenticeships and what they can offer, because a lot of the time it comes in hand. A student may want to do an apprenticeship, but their parents might not be supportive of it and they may not understand it, or it could be the other way around.
I would hold myself back and think, I'm not from London, all I have is A-levels. What corporate company is going to want me? Only 18 years old as well. But even though that was my mentality and it shouldn't have been, I still tried. I still put myself forward and thought, that's the least I can do. Every single person within our organisation, no matter their level of seniority, absolutely encourages apprentices. From my manager to my mentors to my colleagues to even the CEO who I've met, and has been nothing but encouraging and constantly reminds us of how valued we are, because we are the future.
Long term, I see myself being in an engineering lead position, so I really want to harness my technical abilities alongside my leadership abilities, and it's a very specific niche that I think a lot of leaders don't have, and that's where I want to go into. And long term, I want to be the first apprentice, I guess, to be on the senior leadership team of the bank. Funnily enough, now my younger brother, he's approaching the time he's looking at universities, and he's looking at universities, whereas my mum's there saying to him, look for apprenticeships.